I'm Andy Shalal. I'm the owner of Busboys and Poets and Edenville Restaurant. And I'm here today in the Maryland House and Maryland Senate to talk about support for the Sick Leave Act. And we've been doing this for 3 years at Busboys and Poets at Edenville. And it's been something that was long overdue. We should have started doing it sooner than that. I think a lot of times industry standards kind of set the tone and how you're supposed to do things and what you're supposed to do, and you're afraid as a business person because you think maybe you're just too stupid to know better. But the fact of the matter is our instincts tell us that this is the right thing to do. So we went ahead and went with our instincts, and sure enough, it has not caused any problems for us in any way, shape, or form. It has increased morale. Our employees are much happier. When they're sick, they stay home, and they come back grateful that they were able to stay home and take care of their things and not have to worry about it. The fact of the matter is we've expanded continuously in the last 3 years since we've started this. Less than 10% of the people in our staff ever uses it. The ones that do absolutely need it do use it, and it costs us very little compared to our entire payroll. So we are completely in support of this.